So hey guys, today we'll talk about the recent incidents of Ranveer Alabadia's. His two YouTube channel got hacked, and one of the channel name also got changed from his beer biceps to Tesla. So why these kind of incidents get frequently happen? So previous month, Supreme Court channel was also get hacked, and there are lots of many incidents that happen in daily life. So if we talk about Ranveer Alabadi, he has very professional team. He has lots of money which he can spend over the infrastructure, over the security part, majorly on the security part. But still, again, it was not like before that this incident he was not spending lots of money over it. But still, this incident get happen. Why such incident get happen on the daily basis? So here in this shoot, in this video, we are just discuss about some of the incident step. So majorly what hackers find off, if a particular hacker or particular person with a with a malicious intention want to target a particular person, he majorly search for the vulnerabilities. Now, what is a vulnerability? Vulnerability is basically a weakness that he found either in a system, might be your operating system, your Windows operating system is not properly updated, might be your browser, it's not properly updated, might be it could be get happen you have downloaded some malicious file from any unknown websites. It could be get happen you are using some unknown softwares that you are using from a since very long time. It also get happen you have clicked over the malicious link. Majorly the person with a malicious intention target particular person with the help of phishing emails. They share some of the mail saying this is a particular sale, you need to pay this much of amount, this is a particular bill, this is a sale, or anything. They will make you very greedy toward it, and you will start putting all the details, and then they have the access of your email id, phone number, they have your major details. Then they can do whatever they want to do, or might be from any unknown email you have downloaded some of the file which may contain some malware which start processing in your computer, in your laptops, in your system, in your mobile as well, and start collecting the data, whatever the data you have entered, whatever the password you have entered, start creating key, start getting keystrokes. Okay, so this is very 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 much dangerous, and you don't know about, you think okay this is very okay, this is normal, but no, actually this is not normal. This is a very, this is a crown jewel for these kind of malicious persons. So I'll just ask you to be aware of this, not even share your password, don't create password so easy. You just think about okay, just to create a strong password, I have used one capital letter, and other letters are small, including one number, one symbol. Are you really think this is, it will create, this practice will create a very strong password for your business from which you are getting lots of money, from for which you are putting efforts? At least your password must contain 36 digit, yeah, at least it contains 36 digit. Your password must change within 3 months, in every 3 months, and if it is possible for you, then change in every month. And don't be like, if you are using 36 digit of password, like since my name is Akanksha 1 at the rate. No, not like this. Change your password. If you are changing the password every month, it will like, you have just added one number, another month you have added one more number, another one you have added one more number. Is this a good practice? Please do tell me, is seriously, is this a good practice to secure your e-business, your e-commerce website, your Instagram, from which you are doing multiple business, which it contains lots of your privacy, your YouTube channel, your email IDs? Is this a very good practice to do this? No. One more thing that people do this on the frequently and regular basis, they link their YouTube channel with the email id which they use frequently for every single thing. Like, I am like, for example, a person is using his email id for every single thing. For if any of the bill get generated, the mail comes over the email id, bank details come over the same email id, Now just think of it, if any of the data breach get happened, then hackers have then that malicious person or hackers, then in this scenario hackers have the access with your email IDs, not exactly with your password, but they can via using brute force attack, they can just enter your password as well. It would get very easier for them. If they are targeting your if they are targeting your email ID or doing anything else, they can also get access with your YouTube channel. If they are using targeting your YouTube channel, they can also get the access of your email account on which your bank is connected or linked. So just think of it how much dangerous it is. So just do the best practice to secure your e-business, your Instagram, your social media accounts, your YouTube channels, your email IDs, your banks. This is very 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 crucial. Don't seriously, don't take this very lightly. This is very very important to be very aware. To cyber awareness is very 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 much important, and if you find someone is doing these kind of mistake, then also guide them to be secure. This is called a cyber awareness, and we all need to be very aware